Good morning, afternoon, sir, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Raza. I am from Lahore. I did my graduate from BCA Karachi. I did my schooling from my village situated in Lahore. I belong to a middle class family. We are five members in my family: father, mother, elder brother, and obviously me. My strengths are I am honest, hardworking, self motivated, and quick learner. My short term goal is to get a job in a reputed company in which I can grow my working skills and more knowledge, which help me a lot in future. My long term goal is to become a more responsible and knowledgeable personality that helps me to achieve a good position in the organization. That's all about me. Thank you.